Dull blunt tools are useless in the workshop, and a quick way to keep your chisels and planes sharp is using the Triton TWSS10 Whetstone Sharpener. Sharpening stones are great, but if you want to spend less time sharpening and more time making, check out the TWSS10. It'll get you a razor sharp edge in minutes. On one side of the TWSS10 is a 220 grit high grade grindstone, and on the other side is a quality leather honing wheel. The pre-dressed grindstone runs slow at around 125 RPM, and it's water cooled, meaning the edge of your blade won't get hot and you'll get a clean, sharp result on your tool. There are several different jigs available for the TWSS10. Included in the box is a straight edge jig, which can be used to sharpen chisels and planer blades and slides straight onto the support arm of the TWSS10. The TWSS10 also comes with a grinding angle setup jig to make sure you find and maintain the exact angle you're looking for during the sharpening process. With the angle set, simply move across the pre-dressed 220 grit grindstone until you have an edge, and using the vertical side to square off any burr. Once you've established a sharp edge on your tool, move to the other side of the TWSS10 and use the leather honing wheel for a fine polish and finish that is razor sharp. For gouges and other wood turning tools, the profiled leather honing wheel can be fitted to polish the inside edge. Chisels and planes aren't the only thing the TWSS10 can make sharp, with a variety of jigs available for scissors, long knife, curved and bevel blades and other cutting tools. The TWSS10 has a 120 watt motor for quiet and smooth operation. At the base are 4 rubber feet for stability when using and to minimize vibration. With torque adjustment, you have full control. The stone grader can be used to dress the grindstone for either coarse or fine grinding. Coarse for removing a large amount of material at a time, and fine to sharpen the blade. If your stone becomes worn down, quickly restore it using the diamond truing tool to help recondition the surface and prolong the life of your grindstone. The TWSS10 has a 120 watt induction motor, comes with a 250mm by 50mm 220 grit high grade grindstone, and a 230mm by 30mm honing wheel. A no load speed of 125 RPM and weighs under 15 kilograms. Keeping your tools sharp is crucial for detailed and accurate work, and having a quick and easy way to do so will save you valuable time. The Triton TWSS10 will get all your planes, chisels and knives razor sharp in no time.